How's it going? Welcome to this video. All right, so we are doing another video on trouble codes. If you guys have this code, you guys probably have a check engine light on, and you probably use a scanner to get this code. It's P06DD, which is engine oil pressure control circuit performance stuck off. That is exactly what the description of the code is. And the code pretty much indicates that the PCM, your car's computer, it's either PCM or ECM, engine control module, powertrain control module. It's received a signal that the oil pressure supply has a fault in it of some kind. Although the precise fault will depend on your car and the specific issue that you're having with your vehicle. So basically, under typical conditions, the oil pump will use the oil circuit to pump the oil and maintain normal pressure through an oil circuit opening, allowing it to reduce pressure when necessary. To control this opening, a solenoid relief valve uses two regulated pressure stages: high pressure and mode regulation, which kicks in at high engine speeds, and low pressure mode at low speeds. You get a P06DD code when the control valve is stuck in the open position. And if you guys have this problem, probably have different symptoms, and a lot of these symptoms actually have serious drivability issues. And the most common symptom is essentially difficulty starting the car. You might have a crank no start issue, and you might have a delay after turning the key, and your vehicle might stall when you try to start it. The engine might also stall while you're driving or idling because of minimum pressure, and it could actually result in your engine being noisy, causing misfires, high engine vibrations, noisy valve gear, and poor quality idling. And essentially, this code could also cause engine performance issues, including low engine power, reduced vehicle performance, and fuel economy issues. Also, you definitely have a check engine light on your car. So you guys probably want to know what's causing this issue, how to fix it, etc., etc. So we're gonna go and talk about what would cause the issue and what you could probably look at as far as trying to fix this issue is concerned. So you might want to, the most simple step, easiest step, cheapest step is probably try to see if your oil level is low. All right, obviously, most cars, I think all cars, have an engine oil dipstick. Even the most expensive, complicated vehicles still have the engine oil dipstick, and you should check to make sure that it's at the right level. All right, now obviously if it's not at the right level, you want to pour some more oil in, get to the right level, and see if that fixes the issue. Or you want to check to see whether it has old or dirty engine oil. Obviously, you can check to see whether the engine oil is dirty or not. If it's not clear, if you haven't changed it for a while, if you haven't changed it at all, definitely go and change the engine oil. See if that actually changes the issue. You might have an oil leakage somewhere, which actually caused your oil level to be low. You definitely want to make sure that there's no leaks. If there's a leak, you definitely want to fix that, and then put the right amount of oil in your engine. You could be using the wrong oil filter, including aftermarket filters. But if you guys have the wrong oil filter in, probably should make sure that you have the right oil filter. You could have a clogged oil inlet port screen. And obviously, if you have the screen is clogged, you're gonna have issues having low pressure in the system. Could have poor electrical connections within the circuit, damaged wiring or electrical connectors within the circuit. That might be a little bit more difficult to figure out, and you might want to get a kind of like a broken circuit detector for that. Probably a little bit more difficult to figure out, but I think that's just a rare issue. Faulty torque converter clutch solenoid, in which case you might actually have another code with that. A malfunctioning or falter accelerator pedal position sensor. A lot of these vehicles these days have electrical accelerator pedal position sensors, and if there's any issues with that, you might get probably the same symptoms and probably causes the same issues, similar issues. Faulty camshaft position actuator solenoid valve. You probably will get another code for that. Defective oil pressure sensor. Again, you want to make sure that just to figure out the easiest possible way to resolve this problem. If you guys get extra codes with this, it'll definitely lead you to what's causing it and how you guys can fix it. Oil pump failure, and you guys could test with that with an oil pressure gauge. Mechanical crankshaft failure, and also with that, there's also a code with that if you guys have that. So basically, if you guys want to know how serious this code is, it's pretty serious, because it actually does affect your engine's ability to produce power. Probably not something that you would want to drive with, because it could cause bigger problems if you guys keep on driving it that way. Definitely try to figure out what the issue is and fix it. Okay, so if you guys have had this issue and have fixed this issue, definitely leave a comment in the comment section. Let us know how you guys fixed it. If you guys have any comments at all, any questions, definitely feel free to leave a comment or question in the comment section. It might help somebody else out, and somebody might know the answer to your problems and help you out with your problem. Anyway, hope this has fixed your issue. Please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up. All that good stuff. Appreciate your time, guys. Take care.